Bonjour from Marseille. This captivating port city on the Mediterranean coast pulsates with energy. Marseille embraces its rich history and multicultural tapestry. It's a place where ancient ruins stand tall alongside modern architecture. The air is filled with the tantalizing sense of spices and fresh seafood. Get ready to be enchanted by Marseille's unique charm. Marseille is a feast for the senses. Explore its colorful markets, where vendors proudly display their wares. Wander through charming neighborhoods, each with its own distinct personality. Discover hidden squares and soak up the lively atmosphere. Marseille invites you to embrace its vibrant spirit. From the moment you arrive, you'll feel the city's magnetic pull. Whether you're drawn to its historical treasures, its culinary delights, or its stunning natural beauty, Marseille has something for everyone. Get ready to embark on an unforgettable adventure in this captivating French city. Let the spirit of Marseille captivate you. Marseille offers a diverse range of accommodations to suit every traveler's taste and budget. Whether you're seeking luxury or affordability, you'll find a welcoming place to rest your head. Let's explore the possibilities. For those who appreciate the finer things in life, Marseille boasts a collection of luxurious hotels. These establishments offer top-notch amenities, impeccable service, and breathtaking views. Indulge in a world of comfort and elegance. If you prefer a more intimate and authentic experience, consider staying in a charming boutique hotel. These smaller hotels often feature unique decor and personalized service, giving you a true taste of local hospitality. Of course, Marseille also caters to budget-conscious travelers with a variety of hostels and guest houses. These options provide comfortable and affordable accommodations, allowing you to allocate more of your budget to exploring the city's treasures. Prepare your taste buds for a culinary adventure in Marseille. This coastal city is a melting pot of flavors, influenced by its Mediterranean location and diverse cultural heritage. Get ready to indulge in a symphony of tastes and aromas. Seafood lovers are in for a treat. Freshly caught fish and shellfish take center stage in Marseille's cuisine. Don't miss the iconic bouillabaisse, a traditional fish stew bursting with flavor. From humble eateries to upscale restaurants, you'll find an abundance of seafood dishes to satisfy your cravings. But Marseille's culinary delights extend far beyond seafood. Indulge in savory pizzas, flavorful pasta dishes, and aromatic tagines. Be sure to sample local specialties like panis, a chickpea flour fritter, and pieds et paquets, a dish of tripe and trotters. No culinary journey in Marseille is complete without a taste of pastis, the local anise-flavored aperitif. Savor the flavors of this refreshing drink, often enjoyed with a splash of water as you soak up the city's vibrant atmosphere. Traveling on a budget doesn't mean compromising on comfort. Marseille offers a variety of affordable accommodations that won't break the bank. Let's explore some options for the savvy traveler. Hostels are a fantastic choice for budget-conscious travelers, especially solo adventurers and backpackers. Marseille has a good selection of hostels offering both dormitory-style rooms and private rooms at affordable rates. Guest houses are another excellent option for those seeking affordability and a more local experience. These smaller establishments, often family-run, provide a cozy and welcoming atmosphere. Consider exploring neighborhoods slightly outside the city center for even more budget-friendly options. These areas often have a more residential feel and offer great value for your money. Section 5. Scoring affordable flights. Tips for the savvy traveler. Reaching Marseille by air is easier than you might think, even on a budget. With a little planning and flexibility, you can find affordable flights that fit your travel plans. Here are a few tips to help you score the best deals. Timing is everything when it comes to finding cheap flights. Consider traveling during the off-season or shoulder season, when demand is lower and airlines often offer discounted fares. Flexibility with your travel dates and airports can also save you money. Be open to flying on weekdays or at less popular times, such as early mornings or late evenings. Keep an eye out for airline sales and promotions. Sign up for email newsletters from airlines and travel websites to stay informed about the latest deals. Comparison websites can be your best friend when searching for affordable flights. These websites allow you to compare prices from multiple airlines, helping you find the most budget-friendly option. Section 6. Reaching Marseille. Your gateway to the Mediterranean. Marseille is a well-connected city, easily accessible by air, train, and road. Whether you prefer the convenience of flying, the scenic route by train, or the freedom of a road trip, there's a travel option to suit your style. Marseille-Provence Airport, or MRS, is the main international airport serving the city. Located about 27 kilometers or 17 miles from the city center, the airport offers numerous connections to major cities worldwide. If you're already in France or a neighboring country, traveling to Marseille by train is a comfortable and efficient option. Marseille-Saint-Charles, the city's main railway station, is well connected to major French cities, including Paris, Lyon, and Nice. For those who enjoy scenic drives, reaching Marseille by car is a great way to explore the beautiful French countryside at your own pace. The city is well connected to the French motorway network, making it easily accessible from other parts of the country. Section 7. The Heart of Marseille. Exploring the Vieux-Port. No trip to Marseille is complete without experiencing the vibrant energy of the Vieux-Port, the city's historic harbor and beating heart. Prepare to be captivated by the sights, sounds, and smells of this bustling waterfront. As you stroll along the quays, lined with cafes, restaurants, and shops, take in the panoramic views of the harbor. Watch as fishing boats unload their daily catch, their colorful hulls bobbing gently in the water. For a unique perspective of the city, hop aboard a ferry to the Château d'If, a former prison made famous by Alexandre Dumas' novel, The Count of Monte Cristo. In the evening, the Vieux-Port transforms into a magical setting. As the sun begins its descent, casting a warm glow over the harbor, the sky erupts in a symphony of colors. Enjoy a leisurely dinner at one of the waterfront restaurants, savoring delicious seafood and soaking up the enchanting ambiance. Section 8. A Cultural Tapestry. Museums and Historical Gems. Marseille is a city steeped in history and culture, with a wealth of museums and historical sites waiting to be explored. From ancient ruins to modern art, there's something to pique every interest. Step back in time at the Musée d'Histoire de Marseille, where you can delve into the city's fascinating past, dating back to its founding by the Greeks in 600 BC. Discover artifacts, exhibits, and interactive displays that bring history to life. Immerse yourself in the world of art at the Musée des Beaux-Arts, housed in the stunning Palais Longchamp. Admire a diverse collection of paintings, sculptures, and decorative arts from the 16th to the 19th centuries. For a truly unique cultural experience, visit the Museum, a striking museum dedicated to the history and civilizations of the Mediterranean. Explore thought-provoking exhibits, attend workshops, and enjoy panoramic views of the city and the sea. Serenity and splendor. Parks and gardens of Marseille. Escape the urban hustle and bustle in Marseille's tranquil parks and gardens. Discover the Jardin du Pharaon, a beautiful park on a hilltop overlooking the sea. Enjoy breathtaking views of the city and the harbor. Escape to the serene oasis of Parc Borelli. Visit the Jardin des Vestiges, an archaeological garden in the heart of the city. Section 10. Beyond the city walls. Day trips from Marseille. While Marseille itself offers a wealth of attractions, don't miss the opportunity to explore the stunning surroundings on a day trip. From picturesque fishing villages to breathtaking natural wonders, there's something to suit every taste. Embark on a scenic boat trip to the Calanques National Park, a coastal paradise with limestone cliffs and turquoise waters. Hike, swim, or relax on the beach and soak up the Mediterranean sun. Discover the charming fishing village of Cassis, just a short drive from Marseille. Enjoy the picturesque harbor, fresh seafood, or a boat trip to explore the Calanques. Visit Aix-en-Provence for its elegant architecture, vibrant markets, and historical significance. Section 11. Marseille. A tapestry of experiences awaits. Marseille is a city that will stay with you long after you've said au revoir. It's a place where history, culture, and natural beauty intertwine to create an unforgettable experience. Whether you're captivated by its vibrant energy, its rich history, or its stunning surroundings, Marseille has something to offer every traveler. As you wander through its charming neighborhoods, explore its world-class museums, and savor its culinary delights, you'll discover the true essence of this captivating city. From the bustling Vieux-Port to the tranquil parks and gardens, Marseille offers a tapestry of experiences that will leave you wanting more. So what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, book your trip, and get ready to be enchanted by the magic of Marseille. This captivating city on the Mediterranean coast is waiting to welcome you with open arms. Did you enjoy this virtual journey to Marseille? If so, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more travel inspiration.